Take the cover off, you just unlatch these two latches. And you fill it up with oil here. This would be your sight glass where you can see how much oil is in it. And you fill up to where the bubble is, like in the center. This would be on. And then you just want to pull the rope a couple of times just to prime it. And then choke it. Here's your lever. Go forward. Here's the throttle. Then you want to let it go all the way down to shift it, and you shift it back in neutral. And this is your kill switch. You pull this out, and this will kill it.